Welcome to a new video. I hope you are doing well. Today we will see strange things some girls to do much more beautiful than they are. So let's start with the first clip. Well, two beautiful girls, oh my god, they take off her face. Their face has changed color. Next one, have you seen that? What is this that come out of her nose? He also takes off his face. I want to know what this is put on the cheeks. Even the eyes change their size. What is this black that came out of her nose? I think she will take off her nose. Oh no. They changed completely. I hope the groom knows this. It is the groom and the bride. Well, its shape is acceptable. Where did the eyebrow disappear? But I think they have the nerve to do that in front of the camera. Makeup made to define features, not to change them.